Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how I grew my list by 14% in 1 month through LinkedIn. So as you can see here, from the 12th of June to the 12th of July. So 14%, it's roughly 109 contacts. Yeah. So this is exactly what I did. First step, you have to optimize your background image in a way that it points to your lead magnet, to the opt-in page. In this particular case, what I have here, I'm advertising my lead magnet, my proven system to schedule an extra 3 to 5 sales calls a week through LinkedIn. You have to make it very, very specific and very simple to understand, right? So this is proven system to schedule an extra 3 to 5 sales calls a week through LinkedIn. That's it. In addition to that, you want to have a link here, get my proven lead gen system. So it's the same link, right? It just pointed to below. So because if you say go to my feature section, some people don't really know what a feature section is. So I find below to be the call to action that makes the most sense, even though I know it's unique to LinkedIn probably. So here you have a link, but also here, as you can see, I have another graphic where I say get my proven LinkedIn funnel and immediately schedule an extra 3 to 5 sales calls per week. Click to download free. Basically, what you need to have here, it's a just click here, click to add a link, and that's it. And you add a link to your landing page. If you click on this, I'll show you my landing page. So I have, so first of all, there is a how do you call it, pop-up. And here there is proof from some big content creators on LinkedIn that most people in my audience know, or a majority, I would assume. And then whenever people click here, there is basically the pop-up that pops up again. So what you want to have, you don't necessarily need these, even especially if you don't have them. Here there is a little bit about me, but it's not that much. But really what you need is this part. This will be enough. You don't need any extra stuff. I'm testing something different now with testimonials. It's working really well for me, so I am gonna keep it. And yeah, that's all you need to do to set up your profile. And then the next thing is when you create content, I create at least twice a week. This week is already 3 times. I create what I call a lead magnet post. So for example, if you go to my post, this is a lead magnet post that I created yesterday. I haven't replied to most people here, so it did all right. But this one, for example, it's 171 comments and I haven't replied to everybody yet. What I do, so I create a new lead magnet every week, sometimes 2, usually 2 actually. So what I do, I send the lead when people request my lead magnet. So in this particular case, they had to, I guess, comment or reply profile. When people request my lead magnet, as you can see here, profile. I'll send it. It's I created a new landing page, but you can use how do you call it, form. I don't know, some free landing page builder. There's even Google form, it's fine. So just to collect name, make sure you collect name, family name, and email. Because with LinkedIn, once you have that data, you can go and look up for the person and start a conversation. Otherwise, with name, it's sometimes you can, sometimes because in the email, the name and family name, sometimes it's there, you can find it there, but other times it's harder to find when they have the company name, for example, or whatever other Gmail generic emails. So it's harder to find. And this is how you grow your email list with LinkedIn.